I think I see it now.
You see it, just see it. Your beautiful morning. Have a nice day. It's a beautiful morning. Have a nice day. You see it, just see it. Beautiful morning. You see it, just see it. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Have a nice day. Beautiful morning. Have a nice day.
Well, I woke up in the morning, couldn't sleep all night. All the pressures of the world pressing me to take flight, and the boulders on my shoulders weighing heavy as the motors. All the quotas and reporters seem like they win in the fight. So I gotta pray to God, shine the light on me. When I opened up my eyes, all my cares ran free, and I stood up in the mirror posing like a little G. I got a feeling change is gonna come, y'all gon' see.
You see it, just see it. Beautiful morning. You see it, just see it. Your beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Gonna have a nice day. It's a beautiful morning. Have a nice day.
I saw the sun come out, all the shadows right away down south. I'm about to walk it out, walk it out. You gotta know what I'm talking about. I think I see it.
It's a beautiful morn, though my body is worn, but my mind is at ease, and I'm free of disease. Seize the day and believe tomorrow will follow the lead. Indeed, you destined for king. This beautiful morn, pray my babies come home. Angels keep them and watch them when they facing the storm. Lord, you know about your boy, they've been there for your boy. Here's a prayer for your boy, save a chair for your boy.
Beautiful morning. You see it, just see it. Your beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Gonna have a nice day. It's a beautiful morning. Have a nice day.
I saw the sun come out, all the shadows right away down south. I'm about to walk it out, walk it out. You gotta know what I'm talking about. I think I see it.
Pain by the broadside and tyrant low riding baby taken with a sacred escape. Waiting for a day to come, it's coming soon. Tsunami monstrous monsoon. Take a head on, riding on a pontoon. Who need a storm so perfect? We're not, oh my god, go beyond tune. Often I complain, know I'm a fool for that. Shit know better by now, I went to school for that. Guess that's life, how would you react? One thing, no can't deny. Good graces, good on places, spacious living. Upgrade to a house from a rundown building. Beautiful feeling.
I think I see it now. I think I see it now. Yeah. I think I see it now. I think I see it now. I saw the sun come out, all the shadows right away down south. We about to walk it out, without a doubt, know what I'm talking about. I think I see a new day, yeah. 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 I think I see it now.
Well, Sammy, I'm about to say something catchy. To me. Well, how about just catching? I'll just catch.
Here he goes. Timmy B going for number 3.
I'll just catch and see what happens.
Just let it go to the bottom, Tim, now. Bounce it a little bit. Yeah, there.
Come on, hit it.
Oh, did you miss him, Timmy B?
Yeah, I think that was.
Might have been a crab. There's the secret weapon bait. A piece of shrimp.
Here.
Going right up that lead head.
Clickety click.
There you go.
Bang, bang, bang. It's a little smelly.
That's what they like, right, Tim?
Yeah. Wow.
Them redfish can smell real good.
Mm-hmm.
So we got the stinkiest shrimp we could find, put them on the lead head. Tim's gonna put it in the spot.
No, I just didn't actually.
Got you a big old Louisiana redfish, Tim?
Yeah, he feels like he's got some thick on
Man,
it.
he does. That's a good fish right there.
Oh man, he
That
is
is a
just
good fish,
pulling
folks.
line out.
Can you get him to the top, Tim?
I'm gonna work on it. I'll tell you that for sure.
Man, that's giving you all you want, brother. That's a big fish.
Man, look at that. There, a fish fly. Look at that.
There he is. Oh! I told you to get him.
Awesome.
One closest to you. The gill plate closest to you.
Yeah, baby. Nice. Now look at this. Of course, since we
Last
stopped
two-
rolling
Hey.
tape a second ago, we started catching fish, and it's just for fun. And look what starts to happen. Show them there, Sammy.
Well, we decided to have one more cast before we go.
Mm-hmm.
And here we go. Twins.
Twins.
Louisiana Cajun redfish twins.
Boudreaux and Thurdeau.
Thibodeau and Boudreaux.
That's the one.
Right there. All right, what an incredible day, huh, brother?
Yeah, this was awesome.
You gotta love that, man. We tore them up. I guess we caught about 75 fish today.
Mm-hmm. Considering the little ones and
Yeah, I'm
even
afraid.
these bigger ones we're throwing away.
I think I'm gonna need
Just lined up.
There we go.
There he is. I got mine off. How about you?
Got mine off.
Look at this, man. We have caught some redfish today. Getting ready to roll on home, and just wanted to show you the last couple of redfish. We'll lay them all out here in a little bit, but it has been one good day of fishing. Good fishing trip, big time.
You know, that's kind of like when I gave my life to Christ. I finally got true, absolute fulfillment and could experience all of God's beauty and creation in a way like never before. In that sunset behind us, we got fish in front of us, got good fellowship, good friends.
And a giant as a captain. I don't know if we've brought this up yet, Sammy. Just how tall are you?
I'm 6'10", 260. Played center at University of Houston, 1988 to 1990. But I gave the basketball up for the rod and reel. And I've never been the same since. Kind of like,